Alright, so first of all, we are going to install Microsoft, which is Visual Studio 2019 from Microsoft Library, and you need to log in first. But I got the privilege for my university to access the Microsoft software for free, and then you go to the software and you may search for the Visual Studio, and I'm download the Visual Studio Enterprise 2019. You need to choose at least desktop development with C++ to run the assembly code. Right, so after you install, you need to install the second thing which is library. It's called as Irvine 32 library, and you may download it here. Both links will be provided in the description below. And for the library, you can click here and you will be automatic download the Irvine 32 library. Okay, so after you download the Irvine 32 library, you need to copy and put it in the locally C here, and you need to extract here, and you will get the file Irvine and here. So at this file, you need to copy the path location for the file. Just copy, press the location and copy, and then open the Microsoft Visual Studio 2019 and create a new project. Okay, so you choose the console application to run the assembly code. Okay, so assembly language. Okay, so create, and then you may delete unuseful file, which are source file, resource file, and header file. Just delete. Right, so the next thing is you need to set up the setting of the file. So you right click for the assembly language and build dependency, build cross customization, and you tick for the MASM target PROPS. MASM target PROPS. Okay, then you click OK, and then you need to link the software with the library that you downloaded before. So you go to the properties. Before I forget, you need to create new first. New, add new item, and then you choose the C++ file. Here it's got the .cpp, but you change it as .asm, and in front of it you can add the file name. I want to add integer. Okay, so I'm safe. So you will get the blank. So you link first the library that you download just now. You go to the linker, you go to the general additional library directories. You paste the location of Irvine 32 library file just now. Second, you go to the input, additional dependency, you add on Irvine 32 dot library semicolon. Alright, and the last one, you need to include pathway at the Microsoft macro assembler. Alright, Microsoft macro assembler is the bottom one. Okay, and include path, paste the location, and okay. So right now you have set up the setting of the system to run the ASM file. So you can copy assembly code from internet to test the Visual Studio. Is it possible to run your code? Right, I'm trying to run my Visual Code, and you click the local window debugger to run the code, and you need to wait for the output to finish running. So it will pop up a CMD window, and it will show the running code that you put. So here I'm going to test the code. How many numbers? I would like to try 3. Iterate any integer. So maybe 12, 13, 14. So here is positive 39. The total number of my chosen integer is 39. So that's it.